How we doing? Nick France here, Senior Loan Officer with CPF Mortgage, and I want to take a quick minute. I want to talk about home equity. Basically, what equity is, it's untapped, unrealized gains. Now, a quick way to use your home equity to your advantage, I'm helping a lot of people right now. We're paying off credit card debt. That's probably one of the top things I see a lot of people knock out of their debt section when it comes to using their mortgage equity. You take $20,000, $30,000 in consumer debt, credit card debt, auto loans, whatever it is, you bundle that up and you tally up the monthly payment that you're actually making, minimums and monthly payments on that debt. You compare it to what it would be if you bundled it into your mortgage. Get that debt turned in from $1,300 a month to $100, $200 a month, and you can really leverage yourself and put yourself in a better spot. Maybe help you ladder up, get to that first investment property, or just put some more money in your bank, live the lifestyle you want to live. So if you like these tips, follow us for some more. If you have any questions on this, you're curious about your home equity, go to our website. We have a free home value tool. You could go there, punch in the email you want that report to go to, and you could take a look on your home equity. You might be surprised at what it's at right now. So again, any questions, visit us online, cpfloans.com, or you can give us a call at 727-955-2316.